What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist Ed, and I'm about to talk to you today about the TikTok ban and how to get around it. I'm not going to really talk too much about the TikTok ban because there's news all over the world. You just want to get your videos so you could continue on with your life. And let's see what happened when you try to log into TikTok in the United States of America. You're going to see this. TikTok is banned, and when you try to log in, it says, sorry, TikTok isn't available now. A law banning TikTok has been enacted in the United States of America, and unfortunately, that means you can't use TikTok right now. So, they're trying to say that the new president is going to work out some deals so they could get this reinstated again. I don't know. We don't know. No one knows, and that's about all I could say about this. So, it seems like companies that provide VPN and all type of services similar to VPN are just starting to just become as corrupt and as greedy as possible. Good old Opera browser used to be free. Used to have VPN services free. But today, I logged in. It did an immediate update. And now you have to pay to use VPN services in Opera. So, let me show you. So this is Opera browser. If you're using Chrome or something, you download this and put this on your computer. It's called the Opera browser. This isn't my touchscreen TV here. So you download it, install it, play with it, and then when you start Opera, you're probably gonna have to log in with your account, create an account, and keep in mind that they're gonna charge you. You're gonna probably, I mean, this is a 7-day free version of Opera, so use it to get your stuff so you could go on about your business. So let's see how to get TikTok running. So if you start TikTok with VPN services, you notice in the corner it says VPN. So when you go to change your VPN settings, let's go in here. You'll notice that we have countries that we could change from. So right there we have the Americas. So we could change it to Asia Pacific, Europe, and other places. So let me keep this here. And I'm sorry about this video being shaky and breaking stuff, but this is a last minute thing because this story was breaking and I'm just trying to get this information to you. So, so in the settings for Opera, see right here, this is how I have everything configured. VPN, you're going to turn VPN on and connect the VPN when starting the browser, yes, and enable default search engines by bypassing the VPN. And I don't use any of this other stuff. I'm not using any rules for right now. I'm just trying to see if we can get TikTok running. So we're going to close out the settings tab. And so I just searched for some basic TikTok stuff. So right there. So this is another thing that's interesting. The government of India also blocked TikTok. So let's see if we could move it to a place that we know TikTok is working. China. So let's see if we could move it somewhere else. Asia. So now it just positioned itself right there in China. So we're going to turn it off. Turn it back on. We got this good spot right here in the middle of China. And let's go back here and just go to coding TikTok. So let's close all this stuff right here. Coding. So I just clicked on the coding stuff on TikTok. And now it's working. So when you're switching on VPN, if you try to use the same browser instance, it won't work because it's still picking up the old stuff. And you're going to probably have videos coming from different locations here. So let me just show you what happened if you change the location back to the United States in the Americas. Go Americas. Let's see if we could. So it's picking up something down here in the Caribbean or South Florida somewhere. Turn it off. Turn it on. Americas. And let's see what happens when we try to watch any of these videos. Let's refresh the browser. There it is. So now, when you refresh the browser with VPN set in the United States, it is not gonna allow you to access TikTok. So, if you want to use TikTok, set it to Asia. Turn it off, turn it back on. We got Asian, and we have an Asian, and then just close this back up, and then let's go to our videos again. And now everything is working the way it's supposed to. So this is the Savage Scientist Ed, just showing you how to get TikTok running using the Opera browser. So really what you have to do is use VPN services out of probably some other country. Don't use it in the United States or India if you're trying to access TikTok, and probably some more countries on the TikTok banned list. So I know if you could set your VPN to China, you will be able to use TikTok for the obvious reasons. So this is the Savage Scientist Ed. Till I make my next video. Peace out.